Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be bringing you a drink tonight that I'm going to answer a question that I get quite often. A lot of you guys see me do my cooking videos and you always ask me what's in that glass. What is my go-to drink? We're going to make it for you tonight. This is a very simple Beam and 7. All right guys, got a simple one. This is about a 10, I think it's a 10-ounce rocks glass. Fill that up with ice. Guys, I'm going to be using just regular Jim Beam bourbon. That's pretty much my go-to. We'll say about 2 ounces. About. And just 7-Up. I actually like the 7-Up zero sugar. Give that a little stir. You have one Beam and 7. Here you go guys, cheers to you. That is my go-to. Nice, refreshing Jim Beam 7-Up. You can use any bourbon you like. You can use Sprite. You can use ginger ale. I use that quite often. But that is my go-to, and that's what you see me drinking in my videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. Oh yeah.